Right, today we're going to have a look at how to expand a bracket. So write down the title, underline it nice and neatly. Now again, like other algebra things, it just looks hard. Right? It's a myth. Let's have a look to see what this means. So you've written down the first example. Remember, pause, rewind, work through the examples with me, and then there are 32 questions for you to try. So let's have a look. So all this means is that 7 gets multiplied by everything inside the bracket. So 7 multiplied by 3, that's 21. And then 7 has to be multiplied by the other thing as well. Now it looks tricky, but all it is, it's 7 times d. Now we don't know what d is, so don't worry, just write 7d down. And what's the sign? Well, it's 7 times minus d, so the answer will simply be a minus. Look how I work underneath as well. When you get more complicated, this idea will make it easier for you to do. Let's do 2 more examples. So here, exactly the same idea. Write out the example. Remember to pause me if you need a few seconds. Now, do this part first. It looks complicated. It just means 10 multiplied by 9e. Well, 10 times 9 is 90. And then I've got an e. Doesn't matter what e is. Don't worry about it. And then we've got 10 multiplied by 2. Well, 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. What's the sign? It's a plus. One more example. Same idea. Oh, wait a minute. There's 3 things inside. Does it make any difference? No, not really. So let's see what happens. So in fact, it's probably easier. 3 times h. 3. h. 3 times b. 3. b. What sign? Well, that's a plus, isn't it? No sign of any negative between them. And then 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. And what's the sign? There's a negative. Pop it in. There we are. Now remember, you've got 32 questions. Try the questions, mark them afterwards. Try on all your questions to write them underneath, right? Because remember, as things get more complicated, that will make life easier for you. Now, 32 questions. Write down in the comment how many you get and try and upload a picture of your work. Good luck.